Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how we can make delicious vegetable soup at home. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 large onion, and 2 medium potatoes. Don't forget 6 cups of vegetable broth and a tablespoon of olive oil. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme will add wonderful flavor to your homemade creation. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time for preparation. Carefully wash and peel all your vegetables. Dice the carrots, celery, and onion into small, consistent pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch. Cut your potatoes into 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly. Finally, mince 2 cloves of garlic. This aromatic addition will truly elevate your soup's flavor profile. With everything prepped, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the diced onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until softened. Add your minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute until fragrant. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Almost ready to enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Season your simmering soup generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs like thyme or bay leaves. Stir well and let it rest for about 5 minutes off the heat. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Ladle your warm, comforting vegetable soup into bowls and serve immediately with some crusty bread. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.